Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku na muandiki mutinika muviani wa uimi Jonathan Mueke nimakusiia Kwambiia Kwakwa kwa Kambuni munene wa leu na Indo Athiriver kauntini ya Masaku. Wavinya niwakathiia itambya ayasya kana yina utethyo munene nundu aingi akenya nimeukwata mawia na maviasala maingi nimekwika nesa. Ben, Masaku.
Inene thini cha kwilela wambililio wa waki wake wanda cha kusavya leua Indo kisioni cha Athiriver kauntini ya Masaku. Gavana Wavinya ndeti ni waweta itambya yita yikwithiwa na uniko munene kwiene nthi ma Masaku ni kwitha ene nthi aingi nimeukwata mawia na maviasala mbingi nisikwatiwa kuvinguka kisioni.
We have direct employment and indirect employment, as you have heard me say that. The other thing is to improve the nutrition of our animals. I have more than 4 sub-counties that really keep animals, and that will really improve their nutrition. And as I can tell you, we as a county, we are also working hard to improve the breed of our animals, because most of the animals we have here, we have milk, and we also have the beef animals. So it is really going to work well for our farmers. We have enough land. We can, where he can engage our farmers from 10 acres to 300 acres to 1,000 acres to help him plant the feed for the animals. So it's a great opportunity for the people of Machakos, and we want to get this opportunity, to grab this opportunity so that we can improve also the livelihood of our farmers and our animals.
Gavana Wavinya oingie weta taweyombanite kwikithia ni wasavyo mawethio loko makwa ila ni kondo atandithia engwatanio na serikali yakate ni weyombanite kwikithia wanda mbingi nesi kwa kauntini ino kavindani ka utongoi wake.
Most of the industries are coming here now. We have a lot of industries. When you walk around, you see a lot of industries coming up. So that has not really been a problem in Machakos corruption. We are saying it's a corruption-free zone. And we tell our investors, if they have any problem, even the office of the governor is open for them to come. And that's, we have had so many. Every year, you see us commissioning, whether low-cost housing here, whether industries coming up, factories. We are doing that because we have given a conducive environment for people to do business here. By the time I leave now as a governor, I would want to have even more industries here. The bottom line is to create a conducive environment for them to do good business, and us working in collaboration with the national government and with the line ministries, we will ensure that our investors are well taken care of.
Nake muandiki mutinika muviani wa uithia wa Indo Jonathan Mueke waweta wambililio oyo tawikwatiwa kukilia ukwati wa kisio kii ovomana kukusisia atandithia.
Groundbreaking here that we have witnessed with the hues is really evidence of the positive investment climate that President Ruto's government has created. We are constantly attracting investors into our country. It's really going to improve the economy of this area. Like I said, it's a deliberate effort that we are doing to attract investors. We are creating incentives for investors to come in, both local and international investors, because we understand under this era of economic transformation, only the investors in the private sector are going to be able to create wealth.
Vilingi wa Mavomo Tongoi TV kumava kauntini ya Masaku, nyenita wa Ben Masaku.